My name is Jenna Wright. I'm the commis chef for Bocuse Canada, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. Bocuse is the world's most prestigious gastronomic competition founded by Paul Bocuse as a way to bring chefs out of the kitchen and into the spotlight. Team Canada's biggest strengths definitely include our chemistry and camaraderie. Everyone who's on the team is so dedicated to being there, and we all want a podium finish, and we definitely put in the work collectively to get there. My nerves of steel from my days as a competitive dancer have definitely served me in my role now as commis chef, and I look forward to being back performing but in a kitchen setting. It's an honor to be part of the team. The people that I get to work with and the chefs I get to learn from have given me so much already, and the chance to go to France and represent our country with them is something that I will bring with me and cherish forever after the competition is done.